thank you for joining me today. I am trying to make a stuffed animal bat. I drew a pattern out and measured it how I wanted it, and this is my first attempt. It's a little rough around the edges and it could use some work, definitely. So what I did is I altered the pattern that I made, and now I'm going to try it again. So first, this one's going to be pink. I have my fleece, I think it's fleece, and my pattern. This is called Taylor's chalk, and it is so easy to map out the patterns for cutting. Then what I'll do is I'll just go ahead and cut it out once I have everything measured. Now I'm going to start sewing. So this is the ear, and then I'll flip it right side out and pinch it, like this. And I also did the feet. This is, I think, the front of it. Here I'm sewing the back to the front of the wings, and then I'll turn right side out and stuff it or finish it, whatever I'm gonna do. Alrighty, now that I have the ear and the head connected, I'm going to go ahead and sew together all the pieces and then stuff it. I think the head turned out so good this time. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great week and stay creative. Bye-bye.